I'm also teaching 100 plus unique security issues learning, guys, web application security issues in just 20 hours. You don't need to have any basic skills. This is my channel. I have already uploaded 77 lessons. You will be learning easily without any basic skills. Bug bounty tutorial. You can watch the introduction to know more about this. Like 100 lessons for free. Now let's talk about some DOS commands, guys. Now if you can see all the wireless networks here, right? But it will show only few. But if you want to know the full list of Wi-Fi networks here, now you need to enter the netsh command, wlan. It will say, like, using commands you can also connect to the network and you can delete that network. netsh wlan show networks. It is showing 17 networks, guys. All these network names here, Wi-Fi network names. And also very important thing is that type of the encryption supported by the thing. And also the second important thing is authentication, because when you're doing wireless security testing, these are the two important things to know, like what type of encryption is supported by that particular wireless device access point, or like or authentication, like whether it's using WEP or WPA2 or WPA or WPA personal or WPA, what is the enterprise versions. So this is an important command for a system administrator or security administrator to identify two Wi-Fi wireless related security issues at a glance.